Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. So as I told you guys before, and I did a video before, I love to do DIYs. Part of this lifestyle of motherhood and getting yourselves together from the inside out is also taking care of yourself, the self-care, right? And it gets expensive. It gets expensive. To go to the nail salon and do your own set, that's going to run me about $100 for my nails and my feet. So while I still go to the nail salon and I get my feet done, my nails I do at home. In this video, I am showing you guys how I do my sister's nails. So once in a while, I do hers. You know, she likes to take advantage of the fact that I'm a DIY girl. So why not? I'm using the Beatles Type X nails, and these are the almond shape. I will link everything down below. I will link the glue that I'm using. I love everything that I'm using in this video. I don't change things up that much often. I do want to try some other different brands, but I'm telling you, this brand has been loyal to me. I put these nails on and they're on for 2 weeks plus. They're not easy to come off at all. This is the method that I always do. I want you guys to look closely at the video, look closely at the steps that I take when I'm doing the nails. You do these steps, you'll be able to have your nails last just as long. And it is not expensive at all. These Type X nails, about $20 per packet, and it comes with about 5 sets. I think 5 or 10 sets. I gotta check. But sit back, enjoy the video, and again, I'm going to link all of the materials that I'm using in the description box. I will link it to my Amazon store. So if you guys want to purchase it, please use my link. That'll help me a lot. I would appreciate it. And I hope you guys enjoy this. If you have any questions, let me know down below. I will also do another video of me doing my nails. And again, I think doing these just helps each other become better at not only saving our money, but better at just being crafty. Like, doing little things like this for ourselves actually is very pampering, is very relaxing. Trust me, trust me, try it out, and then tell me what you think. All right. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Those are my sister's nails, how they came out. There's mine, and that's her being my sister, of course. All right, guys, see you in the next one.